Here's a shocker. Owning a Ferrari can cost you thousands more every year in maintenance than owning a Lamborghini. But here's the twist. Over time, the story flips completely. So what do you think is more expensive to own in the long run? Ferrari or Lamborghini? Ferrari and Lamborghini. Two names that scream supercar. Fast, loud, legendary. But behind the insane engines and flashy designs is a truth most people don't realize. Most folks think the cost ends once you buy the car. You pay the sticker price, drive it home, and that's it. But that's not how it works. The real costs show up after you buy it. Insurance, constant servicing, surprise repairs, and the one people forget about most, depreciation. Here's the thing. A lot of people assume Ferraris are always the most expensive to own. Others swear Lambos drain your bank account faster. The truth? It depends on the model. So let's look at two heavyweights, the Ferrari 812 and the Lamborghini Aventador. The Ferrari 812 starts at around $430,000. The Aventador? Closer to $420,000, and it can climb well past $550,000 depending on the version. Insurance? Ferraris usually sting harder. Parts are rare, repairs are pricier, and coverage is higher. You'll pay more every year compared to a Lambo. Maintenance? This is where Ferrari really hurts. Routine service can run $3,000 to $7,000 a year. And if something major goes wrong, like the clutch or engine, you're looking at tens of thousands. Lamborghini maintenance is still expensive, but usually a little less brutal. Now, here's the curveball: depreciation. Aventadors tend to lose value faster. But Ferraris? Some don't just hold value, they shoot up. The Ferrari 812 Competizione recently sold for over $2 million. That's 5 times its original sticker price. So here's the bottom line. Lamborghini may feel easier on your wallet year by year, but long-term, Ferrari can actually be the smarter play. Sure, it's painful with insurance and servicing, but when it's time to sell, the prancing horse can give back in ways the raging bull just doesn't. Ferrari versus Lamborghini. There's no simple winner. Ferraris cost you more upfront. Lambos hit you later with depreciation. Either way, owning one isn't just buying a car, it's signing up for a financial commitment. So what about you? If you had the chance, would you go Ferrari or a Lambo? Drop your pick in the comments, and stick around for our next video, where we compare them head to head in performance. That's a race you don't want to miss. This is Autaxa, your spot for car reviews, comparisons, and the latest in automotive innovation. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss what's next.